Hey there, this is Melissa Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm going to show you how to add a source to your Noodletools. So you've got a project going, you're ready to add a source. Right up here in the corner on my Sources tab, I'm going to click New Source. It's going to bring up this option. Typically, you're probably going to be searching from the databases, so 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to be clicking database. However, if it's from a website or a print something or other, you're going to need to click whatever is the source that you're looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the database because I think there's a little bit more quirks to work through. From here, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be looking in these, either this first one or in kind of this blue section here. A lot of times there will be journal articles, or it might be a magazine or a newspaper article. If it's from an encyclopedia, it could be original content from that database. So you're just going to need to look at your source and figure out what it is. I am going to be pulling from a journal. So now we have all of these things that we would need to fill out. If you are pulling from a website that you found on your own, you're definitely going to need to look through and find all of this information, which is a good way to figure out if that source is a good source to be using anyway. If you can't find a lot of the information, it's probably not a really credible source. I am going to show you how to do a quick cite. So right up here, it's going to say copy and paste a citation. And it's going to open up this little box where you can put in the citation. So what we're going to do is go over to our article. I have already pulled one up here. So this is in an EBSCO database. I'm going to scroll down to where it says cite. And I am going to go find the MLA format option. And I am going to simply copy the citation. Make sure to only get the citation and not some of these other words. I'm going to go back to my Noodletools screen. And right here, I am going to paste that citation. Notice it doesn't have the hanging indentation, and that's okay. You have a little checklist here of things to look for to make sure that you have everything pulled over correctly. Down here, you can add your publishing information as far as the dates. And then the big thing I want to show you is this URL. So if I go back over, the big thing you never ever want to do is to pull the URL from the top of the page. You need to go down here to where it says permalink, because we are all logged in with a username. So if you try to go back using that URL at the top of the page, it won't work. But the permalink should always work. It's a permanent link. So we're going to copy and paste this permalink. We're going to put that straight into the URL. And then we are going, if you need to add an annotation, you can. If not, you are good to go, and you're going to hit save. And now you will have your citation. So right here we can see it's a journal. Here's the citation, when it was created, and we can go and visit that by clicking the link. If you have any questions about how to do this, just contact your media specialist at your local school.